Hello, here in this video we are going to talk about our new feature which allows us to exclude selected product from synchronization. If we'll go to our product template, e-commerce integration tab, here we can see a new checkbox, exclude from synchronization. So if we will activate this checkbox and we will try to make some changes on our product, for example, change sale price, enter the reference, and then so let's see, and after that we'll try to force export to external or export product quantities to external. These changes will be not sent to our e-commerce system. We can check that the jobs was created, started, and in the status done. But if we'll go to the results, we can see that this product is excluded from synchronization. So the needed and changed information wasn't sent to e-commerce system. It corresponds to our product and its product variants. So this is how it works.